Wow! Look! Huge green bamboo mountains entering the factory. The amazing process starts here. Each bamboo tree is entering the machine, still covered in mud.
Pretty dirty, right? They need immediate cleaning. Let's go.
Spray water. Extreme pressure washes away all dirt. Squeaky clean.
Wow. Look at that fresh green color revealed. So fresh.
No dirt can escape. The auto washing system is great. Amazing. Deep green and clean. Now ready for trimming.
High-speed spinning brush. Stripping excess leaves. Looks painful.
Strip, strip, and strip. Only the tough core remains. Arrange neatly. Get ready to be chopped short.
One last bath for sure. So shiny.
Cut, cut, cut. The sharp saw slices bamboo like butter. Perfect. Thousands of uniform logs heading to the shredder. Brace yourselves! The monster shredder awaits ahead. Pouring down. Looks like a wooden waterfall. Spectacular.
Chew it up, chew it up. This monster crushes bamboo like snacks.
Tear apart. The tough core becomes chips in seconds. A rain of bamboo chips. Off to the next cooking step. Sieve it. Filter the tiny scraps to get pure material. Mountains of chips dump into the silo. Pulping begins.
We need to wet them again to soften the cellulose.
The smaller, the smoother the pulp. Millions of chips ready.
Shake violently. Only perfect pieces pass.
Enter the giant pressure cooker, turning wood to pulp.
The journey continues. Hurry up, little chips.
Pouring like a flood. Such abundance. Into the furnace. Boiling steam is ready. More water. More heat. A boiling giant bath for bamboo. Boil, stir. The mixture is softening. So exciting. Giant blades spinning. Turning hard chips to fluffy mush.
Look through here. A thermal reactor. Wood is melting.
Swirl, swirl. Cellulose is fully released. Wow! Looks like chocolate oatmeal, but don't eat it. It's pulp. Thickening. Time to squeeze water out to form paper.
Look closely at this beautiful bamboo fiber. So durable.
Release. The giant mesh will keep pulp and drain water. Squeeze tight. Water is pushed out, leaving a tough film. Align the fibers. They bind into a seamless carpet. Water sprays again to flatten the wet paper. Smooth as velvet. Giant waterfall wall. Bamboo paper faces all tests.
Tiny jets precisely shape the surface. Exquisite, exquisite.
Extreme press. Giant rollers compress the wet bamboo carpet.
It's super thin and shiny, a continuous dark brown web.
Scorching. Thermal rollers dry the paper at dizzying speeds.
Dry and stiff. The classic beautiful craft brown is here.
Roll and dry. Stretching endlessly. A superb system. Faster, faster. Finished paper shoots like a rocket. Flawless. Giant paper roll is born. Smooth, durable, perfect. Now let's turn them into eco-friendly bags. Print folding marks. Hundreds of identical bags. Glue the bottom folds. Very sturdy, won't tear.
Shooting like a machine gun. Thousands of bags made in a blink.
Tough twisted handles attached. Millimeter precision. Stand up, little guys. Tens of thousands ready to serve. Neat and pro robot arms. They never get tired.
A giant green army. Saving our Earth. So proud.
Admire perfection. From muddy bamboo to paper bag masterpieces.
Carefully checked by hand. Neatly folded before shipping.
And that's how we make magic. Thanks for watching. See ya.